guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do a get ready with me. I sat down like I used to, so there'll be some music, no talking, especially because my son was right beside me and he needed my phone to watch Mickey Mouse, which you'll see in a little bit. So I'll be playing music, but I did this makeup look. It is kind of like my old get ready with me's where I would just sit down, do my makeup, and then do a little outfit of the day. So I want to, bring that back a little bit. So if you want to see me do my makeup and get ready, then just keep on watching. hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Also click the notification bell because that will notify you on when I post a new video. And tomorrow I will be doing a what's in my purse video, and then during the week there'll be a lot more DIYs, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow. All right, bye.